In 2025, Ferrari's 12-cylinder engine returns with a level of innovation and performance that pushes the boundaries of engineering excellence. The new Ferrari 12 Cilindri, a striking blend of cutting-edge technology and pure Ferrari spirit, promises to redefine the high-performance automotive landscape. This car doesn't just bring power and speed, it delivers an entirely new driving experience that leaves enthusiasts awestruck. The Ferrari 12 Cilindri is powered by a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine, delivering an astonishing 800 horsepower. It roars with a sound that captures the essence of Ferrari's racing heritage, a growl that exhilarates the driver with every acceleration. The 12-cylinder engine is a marvel of engineering, designed to provide an unparalleled balance of power, smoothness, and responsiveness. The engine's responsiveness has been fine-tuned to offer instant acceleration while maintaining optimal efficiency, ensuring that every drive feels not only powerful but also controlled. Ferrari's commitment to innovation is evident in the integration of hybrid technology. The 12 Cilindri is equipped with an advanced electric motor that complements the V12 engine, providing additional torque and improving overall performance. This hybrid system not only boosts power output but also enhances fuel efficiency and reduces emissions, offering a more sustainable solution without compromising Ferrari's iconic driving experience. The electric motor seamlessly integrates with the V12, ensuring that the car's handling and acceleration remain perfectly balanced. The exterior design of the Ferrari 12 Cilindri is a masterpiece in itself. With sleek, aerodynamic lines, the car cuts through the air with minimal drag, enhancing its top speed and stability at high velocities. Every curve, every angle is crafted to not only be visually striking but also functional, with a focus on creating an optimal aerodynamic profile. The front grille is bold and aggressive, and the LED headlights give the car an unmistakable presence on the road. The use of lightweight materials such as carbon fiber ensures that the Ferrari 12 Cilindri is both agile and durable, providing superior handling and a smooth, responsive drive. Inside, the cabin is the epitome of luxury and technology. Ferrari has spared no expense in ensuring that every detail is refined, from the premium leather upholstery to the state-of-the-art infotainment system. The driver-centric cockpit places all the essential controls within easy reach, ensuring that the driver remains fully immersed in the driving experience.